Hello! For today, we're gonna have a house tour. So, itutour ko kayo dito sa loob ng bahay ko sa Heartopia, and our weather or season for today is snowing, which I really don't like. Kasi puting-puti talaga lahat, sobrang hirap makakita. So, as you can see, my house outside is blue and pink. Dito yung labas ko, nilagyan ko lang siya ng konting tambayan dyan. And since bungalow type pa lang yung bahay ko, pagpasok, makikita nyo na agad yung living room. Mix of pastel pink, pinks, mint, and blue. Tapos, papakita ko sa inyo yung boyfriend kong NPC. Ayan, si Vanya. Ayan, nakadisplay siya dito sa living room ko. And then I have another picture there, up there sa dock. Kasi here, my favorite hobby talaga is fishing. And then, ito naman yung ating working area. So, dyan kayo gagawa ng mga furnitures, etc. And then, nag-place ako ng puzzle dyan. So, if you're gonna visit my house and wala kayong magawa, please pabuo yung puzzle. And then here, kaka-unlock ko lang nung dreams, yung writing. So, I wrote a book about me and Vanya. So, yan, basahin nyo na lang. 15 pages lang yan, so very, very short. Madaling tapusin. And, ayan, it's called The Waters in Heartopia. So, nandyan lang siya sa area na yan. Madaling puntahan. Makikita nyo kaagad pagpasok nyo ng bahay ko. So, basahin nyo na lang. And, like it, please. And then, this is my kitchen. Syempre, yung color palette pa rin niya. Mint and pink pa din. Blue, mint, and pink. And if you're gonna visit my house and we're friends, you're free to eat anything on the table. Tapos, paglulutuan ko pa kayo ng another truffle pasta. Ayan. Hindi pa ako masyadong expert sa cooking. Mas gusto ko kasi mag-fishing dito sa game. And sa real life, ako mahilig magluto. Pero hindi ako marunong mangisda. So here, for you to earn gold coins, pwede nyong ibenta yung mga iluluto nyo. And what I like most about this game kasi, yung mga lulutuin mong food and furnitures mo, ikaw ang magsisibak ng kahoy, ikaw ang magtatanim ng vegetables. So, paghihirapan mo talaga siya. Kaya nakakatuwa yung game. So, ayan, share ko sa inyo yung backpack ko. Ayan, nakikita nyo yan, yung mga seeds. Ikaw magtatanim niyan, tomatoes, potatoes, and wheat pa lang yung meron ako. Gusto ko na magtanim ng carrots, pero wala pa ako nun. And then, yung mga groceries, milk, eggs, meat, cheese, butter, coffee beans. Kay Massimo na siya bibili. Nando siya sa may central. And here, yung mga sobra kong crops, dinidisplay ko lang siya dyan. Yung cabbage ko. Yan pala, nakakapagtanim pala ako ng cabbage. And then, yung tomatoes. And then, you can also make fruit jam. So, binubunot lang yan sa labas yung blueberries and raspberries and apples and orange. Ayan. So, this is my room, my bedroom. I have the bed and the closet. And then, this is where I write my books. You'll be able to get this once ma-unlock mo na yung dreams. And then, you'll get random invitations for the events, the fishing, yung mga pag-catch ng insects. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung mga huli ko. Wala pa ako ng butterfly koi, pero I'm very happy na get ko na si Nemo. Tapos, ito yung aking bathroom. Maliit lang and wala pa ako masyadong gamit. And then, this is my music area. Gusto ko sana yung white na piano, pero free lang naman yung black. So, kinuha na rin natin yan. And then, I'm bringing you to my garden. So, ayan yung plots ko and yung aking mga flowers. So, sa mga plots ko, ang nakatanim lang dyan for the meantime is the wheat. Kasi yun yung panggawa ko ng pasta para gawin kong truffle cream pasta and then ibibenta ko kay Albert Jr. Kasi mahal ang bentahan nun. So, that's the easiest way to get more gold coins. And then, this is my bird feeder. May naligaw na flamingo dyan. Cute. And then, these are my daisies. Please, pag napasyal kayo sa bahay ko, pakidiligan naman yung aking mga flowers. And then, here's my mailbox. Meron tayong mail kanina natanggap. Sobrang sweet kasi naisip niya na ako yung may-ari ng bahay and ako talaga yung may-ari ng bahay. Please, 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 also don't forget to heart my mailbox in case you visit my house for the home evaluation. Here I have 2 parking slots kasi meron akong kotse at saka meron akong motor dito sa game. So that's it. I hope you enjoy my house tour. Bye! Hindi pa pala bye. Additional shameless vlogging lang. I'm gonna be joining a contest sa Heartopia and I really hope that you send me or give me your likes. Pagka-up na siya, pag naka-upload na siya, I'm gonna be uploading it on YouTube and TikTok, hopefully sa TikTok din. Ayun, hingi lang sana ako ng likes nyo. Hindi ko alam kung kasama yung likes sa bilang, pero ayun, like nyo na rin. Pero ayun yung teaser ng, the video that I'm working on. So, sana i-like nyo. Ha? Okay, bye!